Greetings, seekers of power. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the realms of personal growth and self-mastery. Today, we are delving into the thought-provoking lessons from Robert Greene's book, The 48 Laws of Power. Get ready to unlock your hidden potential and navigate the complexities of power with wisdom. Let's dive right in. Are you ready to discover the principles that shape the dynamics of power? In The 48 Laws of Power, Robert Greene explores the strategies and tactics employed by influential individuals throughout history. Join me as we explore some of the key learnings from this intriguing book and empower ourselves with the wisdom of power. Mastering the art of observation. In The 48 Laws of Power, Greene emphasizes the importance of keen observation. He encourages us to become astute observers of human behavior and dynamics, allowing us to understand the underlying motives and power dynamics at play. By sharpening our observation skills, we gain insight into the intentions and actions of others. This knowledge enables us to navigate power dynamics effectively and make informed decisions that align with our goals. Learning to play the long game. Greene highlights the value of strategic thinking and patience in the pursuit of power. He urges us to adopt a long-term perspective and avoid getting caught up in short-term gains. By understanding the bigger picture and having a clear vision of our desired outcomes, we can make calculated moves that position us for success. Remember, power is often won by those who have the patience to plan and execute their strategies meticulously. Building strong alliances. One of the key lessons from The 48 Laws of Power is the significance of building alliances and cultivating relationships based on trust and mutual benefit. Greene emphasizes the power of strategic alliances in bolstering our influence and reach. By nurturing connections and forming alliances with like-minded individuals, we can tap into a collective power that propels us towards our goals. It's about leveraging the strengths of others to amplify our own impact. Adapting to change and seizing opportunities. Greene underscores the importance of adaptability and the ability to seize opportunities in a rapidly changing world. He encourages us to embrace change, anticipate shifts in power dynamics, and position ourselves to take advantage of favorable circumstances. By staying attuned to the evolving landscape and being proactive, we can position ourselves at the forefront of change and seize opportunities for growth and advancement. It's about being agile and resourceful in the pursuit of power. And there you have it, my extraordinary audience. The enlightening lessons from The 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene. By mastering the art of observation, playing the long game, building strong alliances, and adapting to change, we can navigate the complexities of power with wisdom and integrity. Remember, true power lies not in dominating others but in understanding ourselves and others, and using that knowledge to create positive influence and impact. Let's harness our power for the greater good and shape a world that thrives on wisdom and compassion. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video thought-provoking and insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are on a quest for personal growth. Empower yourself and others with the wisdom of power. Until next time. Thanks for watching.